Do you want to learn how to sign out or log out of your DeepSeek AI account? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem on both mobile and browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first, on the browser, once you've logged in by going to deepseek.com and start now, it's going to take you over to this page. You have to log in. Once you've logged in, you'll see something like this. Now on the bottom left, you're going to find my profile, click on it, and then you'll see the logout button. Click on it and it's going to log you out of your account. Now on your mobile, open the app. On the top left, click on these two lines and this sidebar is going to open up. Now on the bottom, you're going to find this, your profile name. Click on it. Here you're going to find your profile settings. You can change your color scheme or language. And below it, you're going to find logout button. Click on it and it's going to say confirm logout. Just click on logout and you're logged out of your DeepSeek account on your mobile. Now you can log back in by clicking on the sign in with Google or just enter your email and password and log in. And that's it. This is how to log out or sign out of DeepSeek AI on both browser and mobile. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.